Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, we'll walk through how to install the plugin, activate it, add the Display Form Entries block to a page, and display entries using different layout views. Let's get started. To use this plugin, you must have Gravity Forms and the Pro version of Display Form Entries installed. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. First, you need to install the plugin from your admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add Plugins. Next, click Upload Plugin and choose the plugin file. Now the plugin is installing. This may take a little time. Once installed, activate the plugin. You'll now see that the plugin has been activated. For the next process, I already have some form entries created. Let me check the existing entries. Now I'm going to add a new page. Click on Display. If you want, you can choose a pattern, but I'm not using any pattern here. Next, you need to choose the block. Click Add Block and search for Display Form Entries. Click on it. Now it's asking you to choose a form first. Click here and you'll see the block settings. If the settings are not visible, click here to open the block panel. Now choose the form whose entries you want to display on the front end. You can see I have multiple forms here. I'm going to choose this one. There are many options available, including content, styling, spacing, and typography. You can display entries in different layouts, such as list view, table view, card view, and link list view. For now, I'm using the default list view. You can also see options like show pagination and show field labels. Now I'm going to save the page and preview it on the front end. Here, the entries are displayed using the default styling, with no background or colors applied yet. Now let me change some settings, like the number of entries displayed. Currently, only one entry is showing. I'll increase the number of entries and switch the layout to table view. Save the page and refresh the front end. Now the entries display as a regular table. If you want to adjust the columns or max width, you can do that as well. I'm increasing the width here so it looks better. You can switch between different display views anytime. For the card view, it currently displays 3 cards by default, so I'll increase the per page view to 6. Now it looks much better. You can also use options like hide empty fields, show pagination, or restrict users from navigating to additional pages. You can even hide labels, such as name, email, or ID. Now I'm enabling those settings and saving the page again. Here you can see we now have 24 entries displayed. You can also manage typography settings, such as font size and styling for all displayed content. Now I'll save this page. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.